What's going on, guys? Gonna do this real quick before I go to bed, so here we go. Type in live. 307. 307. Jump over here to the randomizer. Aces and eights, so we're going 8 times. Good luck all. Thanks for getting in. Let's do it. Last one, good luck. And Miguel is the winner in spot 6. There's your verification code, KFVPYK. So, congrats, Miguel. Jump over here, type done. 307. 307. And there's a shot of your randomizer one more time. So thanks everyone for getting in. We'll see you later.